Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best turntables in 2024. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best turntables. The 5th product on our list is Cambridge Alva TT. The words audiophile and wireless are seldom seen in the same sentence together, unless the words cannot be are included too. Audiophilia has always included a hair shirt element, a strong suggestion of no pain, no gain. Well, Cambridge is here to demonstrate what can be achieved when you attempt to rewrite that particular rule. The Alva TT is a sturdy, beautifully made, audiophile-grade, direct-drive turntable with enough going on in terms of tone arm, moving magnet cartridge, and integrated phonostage alone to justify its price. To make a diverting product pretty much compelling, Cambridge has added Bluetooth connectivity up to a high-res aptX HD 24-bit or 48 kHz quality, which means you can wirelessly stream vinyl to your system at a truly high-end standard, from a turntable that's positioned somewhere you'd like it to be, rather than where it insists on being. And it's almost a formality to report that it sounds great, with all of that lovely vinyl expertise where warmth, timing, and rhythm are concerned. It looks and feels good while it's doing it too. Mind you, no amount of clever wireless thinking is going to stop you having to get up every 15 minutes or so to turn the record over. Up next, in 4th place, is the Pro-Ject Juke Box E. Every childhood home had a music center in it, usually one the child in question wasn't allowed to touch. In some ways, Pro-Ject's Juke Box E is an exercise in revisiting the nostalgia of the music center and luring in the vinyl revivalists at the same time. But, Pro-Ject being Pro-Ject, there's a little bit more to it than that. Juke Box E is mostly a record player, but it also has 25 watts of amplification built in, as well as Bluetooth connectivity. It's a receiver, unlike the other 3 transmitters in this group, and an analog input for hard wiring and additional source. Just strap on some speakers and you're good to go. All you need now are some records and/or a music streaming app installed on your phone. Safe to say Juke Box E sounds best when playing some vinyl. Pro-Ject has plenty of experience where these things are concerned. And Juke Box E has detail, dynamism, and warmth to spare. But it's almost as adept with Bluetooth streaming too, and has enough in the way of insight and drive to make even tiny 128 kilobits per second Spotify files sound big and bold. So finally, we can welcome the music center to the 21st century. The 3rd product on our list is the Pro-Ject Essential III BT. Pro-Ject is on a mission to ensure there's an Essential 3 for every eventuality. There's a USB version for digitally archiving vinyl, a phonostage version for use with vinyl-intolerant amplifiers, and there's even a speed change version for those who simply cannot bear to change from 33.3 to 45 RPM manually. And there's the version for streaming wirelessly to a Bluetooth amp or speaker. Like every Pro-Ject turntable, the Essential III BT has it where it counts. Low resonance MDF platter and chassis, aluminum tone arm with Ortofon cartridge, DC motor for pitch stability. Pro-Ject even chucks in some quality interconnects if, for some unaccountable reason, you want to hardwire your turntable to your amp. Great timing, beautifully even frequency range. Enough warmth to the sound to keep things toasty without overheating the low frequencies. It's enough to make you forget it's using Bluetooth 3.0, which must be about as old as the vinyl format itself. The 2nd product on our list is the Technica LP60-XBT. Never content to leave well enough alone, Technica has taken a critical look at its popular LP60-BT wireless turntable and given it the once-over. The result is this LP60-XBT, and it's an upgrade worth waiting for. Technica has fiddled a little with the styling, upheld the Bluetooth standard to aptX 5.0, and improved both tracking and resonance rejection. The result is a turntable that feels a little lightweight and plasticky. It's obviously built to hit a price point, Yet it manages to include a phono stage, an aluminum platter, and auto stop, start, and speed change. So there's about as much convenience here as any record player ever delivered. Its wireless performance is very impressive for the money. It pairs solidly and streams a balanced, even-handed sound. It's not the punchiest turntable you ever heard, but its overall performance is better than a record player of this type. At this sort of money, has any right to be. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Technica AT-LP120XBT-USB. The world's not short of wannabe Technic's 1210S. Despite first impressions, the new Technica AT-LP120XBT-USB is no lazy knockoff. It's an extremely well-specified direct drive turntable with a stack of functionality. And crucially, it is a very agreeable sound no matter how you decide to use it. The epically long model number refers to the fact that this turntable features aptX Bluetooth 5.0. It's for wireless streaming of your vinyl to Bluetooth speakers or headphones. Plus, there's a USB output for recording vinyl to a computer. The Technica also has a switchable phono stage, meaning it can slot easily into systems of all types. But there probably wasn't room to shoehorn a reference to that into the model number 2. On top of this, the AT can play at 33.3, 45, or 78 RPM, and has a pitch control, stroboscope, and target light to satisfy those superstar DJ daydreams. It comes supplied with a very decent own-brand cartridge to fit onto the S-shaped tone arm, and no matter how you listen to it, the 120XBT USB sounds the money's worth hardwired into a system. Whether wirelessly to some headphones or to the copies ripped via its USB output, it hits reasonably hard, extracts plenty of detail, and flows along naturalistically in the revered vinyl manner. It's got a little bit of everything and is easily one of the best turntables around. That's all for our list of the 5 best turntables on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products, and remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.